You know that nagging feeling when you're away, wondering, is everything okay at home? I've been there. Today, I'll show you how to build a 24/7 AI surveillance system with OpenClaw and Home Assistant that watches everything, understands what it sees, and alerts you. All right, let's do this the right way. First, we need to get our cameras into Home Assistant. The simplest approach is using Home Assistant's built-in OnVIF integration. Head over to Settings, then Devices and Services, and click Add Integration. Search for OnVIF. Here's where it gets interesting. My first camera was automatically discovered. Nice, right? Just enter the username and password, and it's in. But don't skip this part. Once it's added, go into the camera settings and copy the entity ID. You'll need this later. The second camera, it didn't show up in auto discovery at all. I spent about 10 minutes wondering what was wrong. Wrong port, wrong protocol? Turns out some manufacturers disable OnVIF by default now, so I had to add it manually. Click Add Entry, fill in the name, IP address, port, username, and password. Finally, it works. With the cameras ready, the next step is permissions. OpenClaw needs permission to talk to Home Assistant. Go to your user profile, click Security, scroll to the bottom and hit Create Token. Give it a name like Test. Copy that token immediately, you won't see it again. I learned this the hard way after closing the tab too fast. Now comes the part where OpenClaw does the heavy lifting. This is pure vibe coding. I gave OpenClaw a structured prompt with exactly what I needed. Write a Node.js script that captures screenshots from my Home Assistant cameras every 5 minutes, saves them to specific directories, sends them to my IM group, and logs everything. I provided 3 things: my Home Assistant access URL, the long-lived access token I just created, and the list of camera entity IDs. That's it. OpenClaw generated a complete surveillance monitor script in seconds. Here's what it does. It grabs the latest snapshot from each camera, saves the screenshots to 3 directories, inbound for analysis, outbound for sending, and a backup folder, then uses the OpenClaw command to send the images to my IM group with AI-generated analysis. But here's the thing I didn't anticipate. The first version of the script failed on one camera, but succeeded on the other. I thought the script was broken. Turns out, OpenClaw built in error handling on purpose. If one camera fails, the rest still work. That's not a bug, that's thoughtful engineering. Now, I could run this script manually every time I want to check my cameras, but that defeats the whole point of automation, right? So I told OpenClaw, create a cron job that runs this script every 5 minutes. It updated the configuration, set up the cron schedule, and now the script runs automatically, 24/7, no manual intervention. Here's the payoff. Every 5 minutes, my IM group receives a dual camera inspection report with AI analysis of what's in each frame, scene description, objects detected, anomalies flagged, and a summary.